benzene to N-propyl benzene, the best method is go with acylation. CH3, CH2, COCl. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3 Lewis acid, now there is no chance of rearrangement because that is acyl. CO, CH2, CH3. This can be reduced. It can be reduced. You can use Clemmensen reduction, Wolff-Kishner reduction, any reduction. This is easiest way. Is this okay? First benzene. Benzene to, we are converting into acylated group. After that acylation group, acylation means CO group we are coming. When you are taking CO group, there will not be any kind of rearrangement. So then you can go for reduction. This is safe method. Fine. Next one. This is all of you say immediately. Hexane to benzene. Aromatization reaction. For aromatization purpose, you can use Cr2O3, Al2O3. This is the direct question. Hexane to benzene. Benzene to benzyl chloride. Benzene to benzyl chloride purpose, we have
converting into carbon and then halogenation.
halogenation. Any special conditions? Because 3 hydrogens are there, all hydrogens will be going out. So, like limited chlorination, when you are writing the balanced equation, you can write 1 mole type. Otherwise, you can say toluene should be little excess and chlorine should be little less, so that only 1 chlorine is coming out. Okay. Otherwise, you can use here direct method of preparation. In direct method, what happens here is, we have benzene and we wanted to get benzoyl chloride. Okay. Then you can use formaldehyde and HCl. HCHO, HCl at a time. Then you will be getting there CH2Cl. Okay. Direct, only one product. Here in this case we are getting many other products, but when you are using HCHO and HCl in the presence of ZnCl2 or AlCl3, you can use Lewis acid type. Then you will be getting the direct CH2Cl. This is also fine. Toluene you can prepare and from that again you can get it. No. Chlorine when you are using, okay, chlorine when you are using in the presence of AlCl3, then it will come here. Okay. In this case. But here when you are using AlCl3, you are going to get a carbocation of CH2Cl, CH2 plus Cl. Carbocation will be here and that is going to be directly added. Okay, now in this reaction. But what you are saying in this reaction we should not use chlorine. In the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, you will be using chlorine in presence of light. Here chlorine in presence of light. Here Lewis acids. Here you won't get any kind of, from HCl you don't get any kind of Cl plus. Okay, now if you want to get Cl plus, you need to use Cl2. Here HCHO and HCl means you will be getting there CH2Cl where carbon is with plus charge and that is going to be added. Good one. Then some more reactions are there for you. Benzene when treated with propene in the presence of H3PO4 and heating. Correct? Exactly. Isopropyl benzene. Because H3PO4 gives proton. So proton will be added here and we will be getting there a secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation is going to be added here. And isopropyl benzene is the answer. Isopropyl benzene you can get. That's 100% true. Then similar type of question. Benzene, when you are treating with CH3 taken twice, CH2Cl in presence of AlCl3. AlCl3, whenever I am writing, you feel that is anhydrous AlCl3 only. What happens in this reaction? First chlorine goes, AlCl4 minus. So carbocation will be formed here on this carbon. It's a primary carbocation. So hydride shift will take place from here, so that it will become methyl and this will become carbocation. Now you are right. It is benzene with tertiary butyl group. So in all these reactions, there will be a slight change in the product because of the carbocation stability issue. You will be getting here tertiary butyl benzene. This is one interesting reaction. You can answer one easy one. Benzene. Okay, all benzene reactions will take once. Benzene with chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. I will just give you in 1 minute all this. I wanted to mention this. Here chloronium, Cl plus is the electrophile. When you are using concentrated HNO3, concentrated H2SO4, you will be getting their nitrobenzene. Conditions apply below 60 degrees Celsius temperature. And here the electrophile is NO2 plus. This is also interesting point. And one interesting line is HNO3 functions like base. This is also one good question here. In this reaction, HNO3 functions like a base. Concentrated sulfuric acid, if you are using H2SO4, you will be getting there SO3H, benzene sulfonic acid, any place you can take. And the electrophile is SO3. It is again special. It is a neutral electrophile. SO3 is a neutral electrophile. When you are using CH3Cl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, this is called Friedel-Crafts reaction. Toluene is formed, toluene. And if you are using CH3COCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, you will be getting there COCH3, acetophenone is formed. All these reactions are aromatic electrophilic substitution. EAS reactions, we say electrophilic aromatic substitution, EAS reactions. Two interesting lines. One is your neutral electrophile we are using. Second is, in this case, HNO3 is going to be base. It must be below 60 degrees Celsius. When you are reaching up to 60 degrees Celsius, that will be converting into metadinitrobenzene. Okay, that is one important point. The last reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Then, three addition reactions of benzene are important. Benzene reacts with 3 moles of hydrogen in presence of nickel, palladium, platinum you can take. Cyclohexane is formed. Benzene reacts with 3 moles of chlorine to form C6H6Cl6. Gemaxine we call. Hexachlorocyclohexene. Cyclohexene only it is. Cyclic compound only. All places will be having 1H1Cl. And benzene, very interesting reaction is when it is having 3 double bonds. It reacts with 3 moles of ozone to give you 3 moles of glyoxal. These are important properties of benzene, you can say. And in a couple of minutes, I will give you benzene preparations also. Regular ones we'll discuss once, then we'll go with all the questions. Benzene can be prepared from phenol. Okay, this is by using zinc. You can say reduction ZNO. Benzene can be prepared from benzene sulfonic acid SO3H. It is by adding water. Hydrolysis, benzene is formed along with H2SO4. We know a very special reaction of acetylene when it is passed through red hot iron tubes at 500 degrees Celsius. It is giving you benzene C6H6. Regular, routine, important reactions. You can take COONA, sodium benzoate. When treated with NaOH and CaO, decarboxylation reaction to get. And from benzene diazonium chloride also you can take, as we were discussing the first question, when treated with H3PO2, you will be getting their benzene from benzene diazonium chloride. These are the regular important reactions of benzene.